The sun and the air, all the shyness that is criminally vulgar. I am son and heir of nothing in particular. You should